Hi everyone, welcome to YCloud. Meta has announced a new round of WhatsApp Business Platform pricing updates, which will take effect on July 1, 2026. The changes affect marketing, utility, and authentication messages across multiple regions in Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. If your business relies on WhatsApp for marketing, notifications, or verification, this update is worth reviewing now. Let's start with marketing messages. Most major European markets are seeing price increases. The UK rises by about 20%, while Italy and Spain increase by around 15%. Poland is the exception, with prices dropping by more than 57%. Overall, businesses targeting European customers should expect higher marketing messaging costs. Utility and authentication messages are seeing even larger adjustments. Hong Kong increases by more than 130%, Hungary by 65%, Singapore by 41%, while Romania and Qatar also see significant increases. Poland again remains one of the few markets with lower pricing. Businesses that rely heavily on OTPs, order updates, shipping notifications, or appointment reminders should pay close attention to these markets. For businesses, the first step is not changing strategy immediately, but understanding their current messaging structure. Focus on which countries generate the highest volume, how messages are distributed across categories, and which templates are used most often. Only then can you accurately estimate the impact of these pricing changes. For markets where marketing messages are becoming more expensive, efficiency matters more than volume. Businesses should review high-volume but low-performing templates, reduce broad broadcasts, and use customer segmentation, location data, and engagement history to target higher-value audiences more effectively. For utility and authentication messages, reducing volume is often not practical because these messages support critical business workflows. Instead, businesses should optimize trigger logic, remove duplicate notifications, reduce unnecessary reminders, and control repeated OTP requests. This is especially important in markets such as Hong Kong and Singapore, where pricing increases are more significant. One notable exception is Poland, where both marketing and utility messages are becoming cheaper. Businesses that previously reduced messaging activity because of costs may want to reconsider marketing campaigns, customer engagement programs, and notification workflows in this market. This update shows that WhatsApp messaging costs are no longer driven by volume alone. Country, message category, and sending patterns all play an important role. Businesses should continuously review market changes and optimize their messaging strategies accordingly. If your team is evaluating WhatsApp messaging costs after July 2026 or looking to optimize messaging strategies across different markets, feel free to contact YCloud. As an official Meta BSP, YCloud can help assess the impact of these changes based on your markets, message types, and business scenarios. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.